the breaks ahead in my life. I was put on earth to be partly screaming for this me in my life. Yes, I'm not just the scar. Count the things I'm grateful for in my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow love will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life. And I don't give it down for lost emotions. I've such a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live. Let me live. This is my life. This is my